Hi guys, it's Anaya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to episode 16 of Freestyle Drawing Friday. Today we're doing a little digital versus traditional art. You may be like, Anaya, what do you mean? Well, I know you guys remember episode 14 where I drew my eye. Well, yeah, we're doing the same thing today, but digital. I challenged myself to see if I can do better in traditional or digital art. So without further ado, relax, grab some snacks, and enjoy the video. I just want to welcome all newcomers to the channel. Welcome to the art crew. Hi, I'm Anaya, and this is Freestyle Drawing Friday, and sometimes I do art videos that are just random, so welcome to the channel. Also, if you didn't know, I have channel merch. Yes, I have merch for my channel. It will be linked in the description on Redbubble. I have things like Hydro Flasks, stickers, and shirt pins, so make sure you go check that out and support. Alright, enough of that. Let's get straight into this video. So as you can see here, I went in with my base background color. I picked this kind of nude, brownish color maybe. That's just because I don't like to draw on a blank canvas. It's just like, you know? Even when I paint, I have to put a base color because I just can't handle it. Who else does this? But no, in all seriousness, after I put my base color, I go in with some of the details of the eye. You can really say that I kind of start off with a sketchy type drawing at first, and then I go in with the hardcore details. So just a side note guys, a little update on my plants. They have grown so much. I've planted over 5 sunflower seeds and they've grown about 5 inches tall. They're so beautiful too. I can't wait to show you guys actually. Maybe I'll put a little update in a vlog or something. So here I'm going in with some darker lines, darkening up that pupil. Y'all, I almost said people. Pupil. The first time I did this challenge, it was with a charcoal pencil, and I drew my eye in less than 10 minutes. Now for this was not the case because digital takes a little bit longer time depending on the person. However, I felt like I needed to put as much detail into this as possible, so it obviously is longer than 10 minutes. Also, another main reason why this video is in 10 minutes, I felt like I shouldn't speed it up as much because I want you guys to actually see what I'm doing. Maybe someone can learn something new from this video, possibly, so I don't want to speed it up too much where you guys can't see what I'm actually doing in the program. But just to explain what I'm doing now is I'm putting a blur on the eye flare, or the highlight in the eye if you will. The reason why I do this is because I wanted to actually make it look like it's reflecting off the eye instead of just a solid color. I think that a little blend would give it its flariness, I guess. And of course it took me a long time to actually get the perfect blend that I wanted. So this is what I'm doing now. Going in with the dark brown because my eyes are pretty dark. Then we're gonna go over it with a nice blend. And honestly, y'all, for my supporters that have been doing digital art for years, please don't come for me for my layers. Like, y'all, I didn't even name them. Like, look at them. What is going on? Does it look like an eye now? Well, I bet you it does. Who all here trusts the process? I just want to know. I'm just telling y'all right now, this eyebrow was just going off a whim. I didn't know how this eyebrow would turn out, but I guess I did it good. That was all one take, by the way, so that was so cool. The nose bridge got me a few times though. I had to keep readjusting and everything. So in a minute here, you can kind of see me use the lasso tool to kind of bring it closer to my eye. For this, I really had to pay attention to the inner corner of the eye, basically where the piece that people say that you get eye boogers from. I finally looked it up and it's called the canthus. Why do scientists make up random names and decide to name it the things on our bodies? It's just so weird. But yes, it's called the canthus, and I'm gonna put the canthus as a dark pink color. That's crazy. I just learned a new scientific word today that I didn't even know even existed.
What we do here is go back.
So my whole logic around the little dots of lighter brown is to kind of create highlights, and then I'm gonna blend them out. And we can kind of like see what happens or like how it turns out from there. But that's what I'm doing. I'll be honest, it's kind of a little experiment on my end. So then I'm going to skip forward to when I actually put some more brown around the eye. I just felt like I needed to see the bigger picture here. No, literally, do you get it? Like the bigger picture? Okay, so going back in with some of my highlights. So this point I really want to emphasize because this is where I feel like I messed up at, or I didn't really like. My highlight was a little bit too far up above the eyelid, so it kind of made it look awkward. And so you see here, I'm kind of like adding it, seeing if I could like blend it out maybe. And this is what I kind of love about this process, is that it's like a trial and error, and it's basically building on what you have. So let's say that if you have your highlighting, like your shadows and stuff like that, you can kind of like build on that foundation color and kind of blend it out to your liking. So that's what I like about this process. Honestly, it's easily fixable because you can just go back and reblend those areas that you didn't blend or want to blend some more. And because it's on layers, you will be able to do that. So you will see me doing that a little bit later inside of the video. So I actually did a poll on my YouTube community tab, And if you don't know what that is, it's basically a section on YouTube where I can communicate with you guys directly towards my supporters, ask them questions, and just fun little things. One time I asked you guys like what's you guys' favorite colors. I was getting a lot of purples and blues, which was cool. However, I asked you guys which one did you prefer, digital or traditional art? And most of you guys said both, which kind of surprised me because I actually thought that you guys were gonna go more on the digital side, which I love that you guys picked both though, because both of them are very, very great tools. Me being a traditional and digital artist, it was just so amazing to see how many people was like, you know, both, and respect both and what they both bring to the table, not just one. So I love that. And this video was kind of an example of that, of how different aspects you can bring out of both traditional and digital. And that's what I really wanted to capture in this video and the purpose of this video. I also wanted to put out more digital videos for you guys who are digital as well, and give you maybe some tutorials on how I do stuff, or maybe some draw with me type videos. But all in all, I will be showcasing both sides on my channel, so look forward to that, and look forward to these vlogs that I'm about to put out because they gonna be awesome. So yeah. Another thing that I saw is that this channel is almost at 20K, y'all. Y'all are crazy. Like, thank you so much for it. And the art crew continues to grow, honestly. So at this point, I'm kind of turning off layers, trying to see what layer is the highlights on, because I don't remember. I'm going in with those eyeshadows. I feel like it makes it look more like, oh my gosh, like dramatic. So this is at the point to where I kind of blend out those shadows and kind of get rid of those harsh lines. And it makes it look 10 times better, y'all. I was actually trying to get that color, that tan highlight color, to a white, and I was trying to figure out how to do it, and I finally figured out how to do it. One, two, three, bam! Then now we're going to blend. Proceeding with this nice blend job I'm doing here. So I get to the end of this picture I just did, and I wanted to add a star in the eye. I don't know why, honestly, but you can't go wrong with sparkles. So have at it. And then I end up drawing my signature, and I was like, wait, something's missing. I was like, voila, maybe this will do. And I was like, no, that's not going to do. Let me draw some more. And I was like, yes, this is the perfect one. But then I was like, wait, let me add some sparkles. Like, you can never go wrong with any glitter sparkles type looking things. And then I get to it and I'm like, wait, let me change the background because I don't like the background. I change it and I'm like, yes, this is the perfect one. I just love it. So yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. And here are the time-lapse results if you want to see that. So yeah, I'm Anaya, and I'm signing out. Peace.